Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Shibantaban kentiu ya ke Jingïalehkai Snooker ke NPYF Shillong City, haringkat bat ke Meghalaya Billiards and Snooker Association. Kalapan long ya ke All Shillong Open Snooker Tournament, ha ke bala play ya ke ni the Vice Chairman ka KHADC Uba Alvin M. Saukmi. Habakren ha ke ni kesni Uba Alvin, ulakit bokit riang ya ke rang Jingïalehkai, kibalawan syakmat banishem benta. Ula ong ru bagane ka Jingïalehkai ka don kam ya shibun ki jingteben ban ya shimbenta hagane ka Jingïalehkai. Nagalang u General Secretary ka Meghalaya Billiards and Snooker Association, ula ong bagane ka Jingïalehkai kalong ka Jingïalehkai ka balas lembha. Ha ka bala dapi don bun ki Jingmut Jingpyrkhat, wan ban Jingïalehkai ya kane ka Jingïalehkai kan pelat ya kita. Ya kane ka jat Jingïalehkai menta ki don hadu khandai phau tali kiri Kiba Jingïalehkai ya ka.
Young gentlemen here and all the gathering players. But snooker is one game that you can start at the age of 3 and you can still play at the age of 103.
That's it. That's it.
So I think we keep that age limit from 3 to 103.
That's a good one.
And it's a mind pleaser. When you have tension, you come, you play a game of snooker, you're refreshed. It's a great game.
Right.
As I told you, that was started in 1875 by the very Chamberlain, the gentleman in Jabalpur, which was played in the infantry and the officers' mess at that time. It has come a long way. Now it is being played in 90 countries all over the world. And it's got a viewership of almost 500 million. So I hope all the players take it very seriously, and we take this opportunity from the Meghalaya Billiards and Snooker Association to congratulate the players here, the organizer, the party who sponsored this program, so that our boys goes a long way and enter to nationals. We have national players here who have been there. Hima is one of them. Bishan also is there. They have participated in the nationals, which was sent by the Meghalaya Billiards and Snooker Association for the nationals. Our association goes back from 1996. That is 26 years old association we have. So this is all, and thank you, sir, for sponsoring this. Thank you.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.